Can we do it then?
When organizations think about drones, the first question is often, is this expensive? The real question should be, what does it replace? Traditional inspections need manpower, equipment shutdowns, scaffolding, and days of work. Every delay adds cost. Every risky task adds liability. With drones, that equation changes. Garuda Aerospace drones inspect large sites in hours instead of days, without stopping operations and without putting people in dangerous locations. That alone saves labor costs, downtime losses, and safety expenses. In agriculture, drones reduce water usage, chemical wastage, and fuel costs by spraying only what's needed where it's needed. Fewer resources, better output. For infrastructure and industrial projects, early detection through drone data prevents costly breakdowns and rework. Fixing a problem early always costs less than fixing a failure later. The biggest saving isn't just money, it's time, safety, and decision clarity. That's the real economics of drones doing more, risking less, and spending smarter with every flight.